Welcome to the African Drive. Today, we leave the rhythm of Nairobi behind and follow the A2 north, a road that climbs through the heart of Kenya, past the bustling towns, rolling farms, and forests that seem to stretch forever. Our destination is Nanyuki, a town resting beneath the towering slopes of Mount Kenya, where we'll share a meal, take in the mountain air, then follow the same road back home. Every road has a story, and this one is waiting to be told. This is Kenol. For many travelers, it's more than just another town. It's the place where the city begins to fade and the countryside quietly takes over. Cross beneath the Tusker arch and the journey begins to feel different, slower, calmer, like Kenya opening up before you. Welcome to Karatina, one of the busiest market towns in central Kenya, a place where fresh harvests arrive every day, and life moves at its own steady pace. From here, the road begins to climb, the air gets cooler, the views become wider, and before you know it, you're driving through some of the most beautiful scenery in the country. This is Chaka. Out here, the road belongs to everyone. Cars, trucks, motorcycles, and sometimes a herd of cattle. Around here, they always have the right of way, so you slow down, take it easy, and let them pass. Because in Africa, not every journey is measured by speed. And just like that, a little over 2 hours later, we've made it. Welcome to Nanyuki. Nearly 2,000 meters above sea level, Nanyuki sits quietly on the equator. In the shadow of Mount Kenya, the air feels cooler, the pace feels slower, and somehow, everything feels just a little more peaceful. And here it is, the hidden gem I told you about, urban smoke, right here in the heart of Nanyuki. Nama choma, fresh off the grill, golden chips, a cold drink. After a drive like this, it doesn't get much better. The day is slowly coming to an end. The mountain fades into the distance. And once again, the road points us home, back to Nairobi. There is something special about chasing a Kenyan sunset. The sky changes every few minutes. Gold, orange, crimson. For a little while, it feels like the road and the sky become one. Night settles over the central highlands. The lights of Nairobi slowly come into view. The road that carried us north has brought us safely home. Every journey begins somewhere. Every road has a story. And this was one of them. Another road, another story. Thank you for joining me on the African Drive. Until the next road, drive safe.